Dah ke Pynrem jur ya ke Jingjia ha Manipur ha ke baki patbor ki lakta kti klem akor ya arnut ki kentei na ka jat benriu kuki ha kang pokpi district ha ke Southerik ubenai Jemang Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Meglaya u Conrad ki Sangma ula dawa badai ban penshitom da ka beting ya barok ki belai don kti ha ka ni ka kampok jat pok rati dah ke boong ba ka ni ka Jingjia kalong ke bomla pediang dalai lei ruem ula ong ba unsa tho shithi show menteri rangba do jongkari show menteri korbari bat show menteri rangba ka Jylla Manipur bandawa ban le da ka bating bantem ya ka jinglong jeman ha Jylla Manipur.
You must be aware that even before this, about a month back, I have already written to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister regarding certain measures and actions to be taken in Manipur, not as Chief Minister of Meghalaya, but as a political party, to write to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister for this. So we have been doing that. In the last all-party meeting that was called, I had attended personally, and we've been stressing on this. So yes, this incident, as I said, is very disturbing, and we will press that all measures should be taken so that action is taken against those who are guilty.
Ka tanat pulit mentah kesengi kelasam yaki